You can create this illustration in Procreate. To get started, I'm going to draw this rectangle, hold the Apple Pencil and tap on the screen. Make sure that the ends are closed, otherwise something like this would happen. I'm going to create that again and hold on the screen, tap on screen to form perfect shape. You can tap on square or the selection tool and select freeform to place it in the center and make it a proper rectangle. After that, I'm going to create this like a stamp situation and then merge layer or on a new layer. You can start creating the face, and you just using this simple semicircle and this line for the neck and just adding shadow, then a straight line for nose. This is a comic style illustration, stylized illustration, more like a doodle. So that is why, since it's an illustration, it involves multiple steps. So we'll do the sketch, then the line art, but it's a very simple style of comic illustration. That is why you can draw simple features. I thought of creating curly hair, but then that would clash with the outside stamp effect, so I'm creating straight hair. Then you can draw simple lines, curved lines for the eyes. I like exaggerating the lashes. If you find it difficult to draw the other, you simply using lasso tool select, swipe down with 3-finger, duplicate, and on a new layer select it, adjust it and erase the rest. I usually like to change the opacity of the sketch layer and change the color, so that's easier for me to do the line art on a new layer. Using dry ink, I start doing the line art. Since this is a textured brush, I'll have to do the in order to use color drop to fill color, I'm going to use Studio Pen at a very low streamline, and on layer below the line art layer, I'm going to add the color. You can use the different colors or the same colors, and then just adding little details in the air. Above all the colored layer, I'm going to add a new layer, change the blend mode to soft light, and using a round brush under painting, I am going to add this shading. So a little on top, then like this in the middle, and using white, I'm going to add the highlights. Before that, I'm going to add the shadow on the face also. So basically the eyes, and because they are like hollow sockets, it's like a stylized illustration, so you have to be very simple with it. On new layer, I'm also going to do the same thing, so that some areas are darker than the other, soft light and black, and then using the paint the round brush, and then using white, I'm going to add this shine kind of effect on the hair. It's giving a painterly vibe. On a new layer that does not have any blend mode on, I'm going to use this pink color to add blush like this. Then go ahead and draw some doodles, then changing the background similarly, and you can export it and share it in your gallery. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like it, and do tag me if you create this illustration in your style, and I love to see that. Thanks for watching.